Hello and welcome to UBot Studio. I want to take a moment with you and explain the simplest and most profound feature in all of UBot. I'm talking about the bot source. The bot source is this yellowish panel right over here that has all of the websites in it. The bot source is a collection of pre-made scripts contributed by the best UBotters from around the world. The bot source allows you to simply find the site that you would like to automate, find what it is you would like to do, click, and have it all done automatically. It also allows you to mix and match these functions into more complex bots, which makes the process of automation easier than ever thought possible. So let's get started and see what we can do with this. Alright, so this is my list of sites, and I can choose any of these sites. There are more being added all of the time. So what you see here is going to change. There's going to be more. There's going to be more commands. It's an ever-growing repository of code. So I'm going to click on what I want to do, which is create an account on Facebook.com. And if I right-click this, I can click Run. And then it gives me all of the possible options that I can use to create an account on Facebook. So let's just put in my information here. I'm Seth Turin. And I am male. And the rest of this, well, alright. And when I click OK, it's going to go ahead and put in all this information for me and make this account. Alright, and Facebook has stopped me because obviously I already have a Seth Turin account, but the point is that it did all of this without having to write a single line of code. So as soon as you open up UBot Studio for the very first time, you can start automating however you like. Now if I wanted to, I could just go down each site in the bot source, of which there are potentially infinite, and just go to create an account on each site and never have to actually go to any of the sites myself or write any code myself, and just have UBot make all of these accounts for me. Now it might become kind of tedious filling out this information every time, so we've made this really easy. If you go to Tools and Options, and you click Default Form Fields, then you have all of the most common form fields that will come up every time you want to run one of these commands from the bot source. So for example, if we put in and click OK, now when I go to log in to, say, Twitter, I run this account, it's going to already have that information for me. So I can do all of this and not have to worry about putting in my information each time. Now there is an awful lot of value just in these scripts here, going through them and clicking them and having them do what you need them to do. But when you're ready to go a little bit deeper, you can mix and match these commands to fine-tune it to do whatever it is that you need to do. So for instance, let's say that I want to create a Facebook bot that will log into my Facebook account, post a status for me, and then log out. All I have to do is grab the commands I want and drag them into the script window. So I'm going to enter my secret information, which I've blurred. Alright, now I'm going to drag post status over, and we'll say playing with the bot source. Awesome. And finally, we'll simply log out. And we're going to give this a run. And we see it's going to log into Facebook for us. It's going to post our status. And then it's going to log out for us just like that. Now the reason that this is so powerful is that these are fully interactive with all of UBot's other commands. And this is a bit outside the scope of this tutorial, but you can see that you can mix this up. So if we wanted to do something 5 times, if we wanted to post 5 statuses, well, that's simple. All we have to do is drag a loop command in, so we want it done 5 times, and put our post status inside the loop. So by mixing the bot source with the toolbox, there are unlimited things you can do. And because of the power and the breadth of the bot source, you'll find that most of the hard work is already done for you, which leaves you free to be creative, be productive, and make more money. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.